Hey guys! Hey friends! Good morning! Today is March 21st, 2019 and today is Miguel's birthday! Okay, I'm gonna show you the birthday boy. And hi Gil! Happy birthday, Gil! We are 1 year old already! Yay! Birthday na ng Miguel! Uy! This is Miguel's birthday cake! Ayan! So blue! Because it's Miguel's birthday! Awi! Kuyawan nyo guys! Uy! Bobby!
Sit down!
What's
my
birthday? Sit! Sige na! 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday, Miguel! Chik, chik, chik! Awi! Happy birthday, Miguel! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Miguel! Blow the candle, Gil! Blow the candle, Gil! Yay! Clap hands, everybody! Excited na sila mo it. Uy, kagwapong Miguel! Oh, okay.
Okay, go na.
Wait.
Pwede rin na mukha ng dojo na. Mura lagi yun sa mas. Ano gray?
Di ka na si Maui.
Doon na rin Miguel ba?
Di man siya makita.
Hindi makita eh.
Si liu-liu. Wow! Po anak langga dahil si liu-liu.
Oh, gikurot na ni Maui. Oh, nagawas.
Hindi, Gil. Buglawan mo
What is this kind of food?
Bugnaw
This is weird. I wanna eat this every day.
Oh, this is weird. I wanna eat this every day.
Maui.
Ano mo gila si Maui?
Ano?
More Maui?
Maui, Miguel.
Yeah.
Gil.
Uy, Gil!
Gil, oh.
Dili siya cake.
Ganun,
Kaon siya, uy, hindi siya kadut. Dili kadut.
Taga?
Tagay siya.
Go. Gamay yan, mama. Huwag i-gugulong niya.
Bugnawan mo gud siya.
Oh! Wait. Ano yun?
Oh, diretso rin
Hello.
ako ni Maui.
Nakuha ng light.
Hindi lang.
Gil.
Hindi, na si Mika. I don't want this.
Naiinit ka tubig?
Wa.
Ganun si Gil.
Birthday mo Miguel. Oh, pati. Nyawa mo lagi.
Manab.
Kumba lagi.
Dali, ito bang ni Miguel.
Oy, humba!
Di siya makita tungod ni Miguel.
Nay!
Si Mirti, ang mga nindong ang Mirti. Buka.
Wala, nagawas lagi na.
Hindi ka ba mukha Miguel?
Gahi. Bugnawan.
Nawa Maui.
Si
Maui!
Maui kay dato kay
Naon
kapon.
ka na, we.
Maui! Which is Maui?
Wa kay gibugnawan.
Ang ganun, gikuan din.
What's Maui ba? Are you gonna eat that? Or am I?
Tilapan rang icing.
Are you gonna eat that?
Ang puro talaga Miguel.
Si Miguel.
So here is Miguel's cake. Yan yung kinain nila guys. And the rest of the cupcakes na ginawa ko. Ayan. I made 2 batches. This is banana cake with chocolate chips. And this one is banana cake with butterscotch. And then I'm going to try to eat this kasi it looks delicious. So now I'm gonna try eating Miguel's cake. It's yung cake pala na ginawa ko is banana cake. Yan, banana cake, and I'm gonna eat it together with coffee. Ayan yung slice ko, konti lang guys kasi I already eaten a lot of cupcakes kanina, so too much sweet will kill you. So let's try. Ding, 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 ding. I haven't tried the whipped cream. I don't know if it's very sweet or sweet. Kasi, yung last time na ginamit ko na whipped cream, wala siyang ka-sweet-sweet. I don't know with this one, cause I haven't tasted the whipped cream. It's just the cake. Matamis yung cake. Matamis yung whipped cream. This is the powdered whipped cream pala. Yung hindi powder na liquid whipping cream, siya. It doesn't taste anything, lang. You need to add sugar or something, yan, confectioner or powdered sugar, in order for it na maging matamis. But this one, medyo, meron siyang tamis. Yeah, you could really tell na meron siyang tamis. But, it is delicious. It's my first time using that one, but it's delicious. It's very, affordable too. So, ang hirap lang niyang, hanapin. So, yun. And I'm gonna drink my coffee.